Before starting this video, please listen to this audio carefully.
Welcome to the deep dive. We're all about machine learning today, and we always go for the good stuff. So we're using Aurélien Giron's hands-on machine learning as our guide.
Oh, it's a fantastic pick for a deep dive. It doesn't just tell you about machine learning, it actually shows you how to build systems that really do it.
Yeah, exactly.
This is what I did with just a simple AI tool from Google. It converted my 10,000 word PDF into a few minutes of audio, which made my work easier and also saved my time. If you want to know more about this Google AI tool from like how I convert a PDF to audio, then stay till the end of this video. So are you tired of losing notes or wasting time searching for ideas? What if you could fix that in a minute for free? Meet NotebookLM by Google. It is a simple AI tool that organizes your notes, answer your questions and save you time. Let me show you how it works. NotebookLM is like a smart helper for your notes. You can add articles, meeting notes or even voice memos. The AI reads them, sort them and help you find what you need fast. No more digging through files, just type a question and it finds your answers. Let's start with summarize one article. So here I am going to search bar and here I am type what is artificial intelligence. So here we got many results and just here and copy the anyone. So here just click on it and copy the link, copy and come back to NotebookLM. Just click on create and here just click on website and paste the URL and insert it. So it will proceed and yeah. So NotebookLM gives you short bullet point. It even pulls keywords, great for students, researchers or anyone who hates reading 10 pages just to find one idea. Ever lost a note you wrote? NotebookLM search like a magic. So here I am asking one question to NotebookLM. Just click on create and here just click on copy text and here I am just copy paste and also you can write down here and just insert it and it will proceed and it find it in second. No more opening 20 files to find one sentence. So answer are very cool and also you can check out. Keep things tidy with folders, drag notes into vacation plans or work stuff. The AI even tags them for you. Planning a trip, add flight details, hotel booking and turns them into checklist sample. So student, imagine this, upload your class note and ask explain photosynthesis. NotebookLM reads your notes and explain it back to you. No more flipping through textbook. It like a tutor that know your style. So with the help of NotebookLM, you can just convert your PDF into audio. Let me show you how to do it. Just click on it, choose file and here you can select your file. So I am select anyone files, artificial intelligence. So just click on it and upload it. So file was pretty large and it will take some time. Just wait for it. So here files are uploaded in NotebookLM. I am just now convert PDF to audio. So here you see the option audio overview. Just click on generate and it will take some time to convert PDF into audio. So finally my long format PDF convert into the audio. Now I am playing the audio.
Wow, it's really incredible, isn't it? I mean, the sheer amount of information we come across every single day, it's overwhelming. When you're trying to get a handle on like a truly complex topic, it can feel like you're just drowning in it. And that's exactly why we do this show. So welcome to the Deep Dive. It's the show where we take the sources that you provide, and let me tell you, the stack you sent over on artificial intelligence, wow, it's impressive, and we distilled them down to the absolutely crucial insights.
So finally, here my long format PDF around 100 keywords convert into audio with the help of NotebookLM. So yeah, it is pretty cool. Let's keep it real, good stuff. It is free, no ads and work offline. Not so good, you need a Google account and you cannot edit photos yet, but if you are drawing in notes, this is a lifesaver. Ready to save time? The link below. If the help you, hit like, it mean a lot. Subscribe for more tips and comment notes if you try NotebookLM. Thanks for watching and stay organized.